Welcome back to another episode of Local Search Tuesdays. This week, I'm sharing a tip that will help you connect with potential customers by writing more authentic website content. Instead of writing more marketing fluff, you can level up your content using customer reviews. Let's face it, the content on your website probably sucks. Most content does. As we've all learned to chase keywords and target the algorithm, we've lost sight of the fact that our content exists to help customers make a purchase decision. Most of us have forgotten that the process is pretty simple. Customers have a problem, and you have a solution. Your website exists to explain your solution and help guide the customer down the path to purchase. Your customers don't care about your marketing bullshit. They only care if your product or service will solve their problem. Because so many business owners and marketers have been taught to chase keywords and rankings, site content has suffered. Google has evolved and the marketing fluff doesn't perform well anymore, yet everyone keeps writing it. I've talked in past episodes about the importance of answering customer questions, but it's not just about answering questions. It's about sharing an authentic experience on your site that matches the experience customers will have if they buy from you. The best way to do this is by mining your customer reviews. Pay attention to the things that people mention. How are they talking about your business? What do they mention about the experience? What are they celebrating? Do common ideas or phrases pop up often? Take that language and use it on your site. That's the authentic content that will help you connect with potential customers. It's also the kind of content that Google likes, and the AI search systems dig it too. Use a tool like Places Scout to download all of your reviews. Drop that download into ChatGPT and ask it to give you a summary of your business based on all of the reviews. Ask it to list the common themes and phrases. It's also helpful to ask it to sort your reviews into topic buckets. The phrasing might be all over the place, but if you see lots of reviews in one topic bucket, you know that topic resonates with your clients. Once you've sifted through your reviews, check out your site. Make sure that same language is used throughout your site instead of the marketing bullshit you're using currently. You'll show up better in Google and in the AI systems, and your customers will love you. That's all the time we have left for this week's episode, so you know what that means. Put your hand on the screen right here. We totally just high-fived because you learned something awesome. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next week for another episode of Local Search Tuesdays.